The Ponte Vecchio, or Street of Gold here in Florence. It's one of the only bridges that was not destroyed in World War II. And way back in the day, the ancient times, this was full of butcher shops. But now, it's one of the best places for gold in Europe. Called the Street of Gold, 18 carats surrounds you on both sides. Let's go take a look.
Spanning the Arno River at its narrowest point, the Ponte Vecchio is the oldest of the 6 bridges in Florence. Destroyed in 1333 by a flood and rebuilt 14 years later, the Old Bridge, as locals call it, has become one of Florence's most popular sightseeing and shopping destinations. Shops on the famous bridge specialize in jewelry made from 18-karat gold, pearls, and unique custom pieces not found anywhere but on the Ponte Vecchio. When you're visiting, make sure to take part in a good luck practice of touching the many padlocks clustered at each end of the bridge. They symbolize the connection of love and lovers, and by locking the padlock and throwing the key into the river, lovers become eternally bonded. For one of the best views of Florence, you need to get high above the city. There are 2 lofty points which will give you amazing views: the pinnacle of the main church or Duomo, or the adjacent bell tower. Small entrance fees are required at both points, and climbs require you to be in good shape. Passageways take you up through sections of long, narrow stairways, with resting points in between. Just take your time and go slow, and you'll be at the top in no time.
Here we are high above Florence in the bell tower of Duomo Square. About 413 steps to get to this point, about 463 steps to get to there. I think this is a much easier climb than that, and amazing views. Look at the panorama around me. Fantastic.